Happy joy. It is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. I am so glad that you're here. I just wanted to share a little something with you. Here in the crafting diamond painting community, we really try to connect with each other through chats, through lives, through Zooms, through premieres, different things like that. We also have auctions for one another to raise support when things go wrong in our lives and we need a little bit of help. One of the things I love is how encouraging we can be if we take the opportunity. Behind the scenes, writing thank you notes, sending birthday cards, different things like that. And I do my best, right? And I got a message from a dear friend of mine who said, "Hey, I am going to send you a little something, and I want to show you how it works. So here's what I'm sending you." So I received a package in the mail, friend mail, and I was like, "Oh, this is a little bit bigger than what I expected." So I wanted to show you. And the reason I want to show you is because I want to encourage you guys to do the same for one another. The struggle is real in life. We have our ups and our downs. And when we're up, we can encourage the person who's down. And when we're down, we can be open to receive gifts. And it's been very hard for me this past year to be the one to receive that love. And I'm working hard on accepting it. And now that I'm slowly turning around, I hope that I can reach back out and start getting active in the community again and blessing people again. So yeah, let's open up this friend mail. So what I received was from Beth, Shine Shop Designs. She's over on Etsy. If you go down below, you'll see the link. You can go check her out. And I always joke about how when she goes live on Saturday nights that I I need to delay myself because otherwise what she shows I want to buy. And I can't really buy much right now. I'm on maternity leave, and my maternity leave is mostly unpaid because the leave I would have used, I used with Willow, our dear child that we were going to adopt last year, and the mother changed her mind, and so she was taken from our home. And our hearts are still healing from that, but it did take a lot of my paid time off. And so with our little one now, I have just not had as much to purchase because now we have a second person that we have to pay for besides our daughter, so there's 4 of us instead of 3. And yeah, so also I haven't been on YouTube as much, so I don't have really a crafting budget from the monetization, etc., etc. And so this is so sweet what Beth sent. So I keep saying so. You guys know I talk about turtles. There's an inside joke about my first troll asked about diabetic turtles. And so now I don't really collect turtles, but in the diamond painting world, I have a couple of turtle cover minders. And I have one here. I wasn't prepared. Just a minute. I bought from Shine Shop right here that has one little baby. But now I have 2 babies. And so she sent me this mama and 2 babies. And then this, she wanted to show me how to take out. And I think I'm going to put a picture of my dear Willow in here as a reminder. So she wanted to show me how this is a little frame cover minder. Check out her store to get your own. And I'm going to put our baby from last year, Willow, in there as just kind of a reminder with the little mom and baby hand. And so that was such a blessing. And so I'm like, why would that come in this big package? Well, there was a note inside that said this was from a dear friend. So I just want to thank that dear friend. You know who you are. And she heard and knows that I absolutely love a certain type of flower. Um, I, but I don't have a cover minder or anything. Well, I have one cover minder. I should take that back from Crashly. Got me a sunflower cover minder. But I love sunflowers and daisies, and this was shown a couple weeks ago on Shine Shot. And I was like, oh, it's a limited time and it's going to sell out. It's going to sell out. And this wonderful friend, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm going to cry. She contacted Beth with Shine Shop and purchased this for me and sent it. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? So I think of this as like a daisy, and it's like a trash container. I will probably use it more as a wax holder and then take the wax out because I lose my wax all the time. So this is absolutely beautiful, and Shine sells a bunch of different styles of these, but I could not get it this time, and I knew this would sell out. And so thank you to my dear friend for purchasing this and sending it my way. And I promise, as soon as I am working again, that I will pay it forward and share with the next person in need who loves something and has hope and needs that special help. So I wanted to share that friend mail, but I also wanted to talk about that you guys can send friend mail, and it doesn't have to be an item. You can send a card, anything like that. I used to do Diamond Painter of the Month, where we would all vote for one another and who was amazing and who deserved to have a shout out, and I love that. So I just want to encourage you. Thank you so much, and I hope that you have a wonderful day and that you're able to bless others and bless yourself. So until next time, be blessed, take care, have a wonderful, wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it may be when you watch this video. Bye-bye.